everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I am sharing with you just my blue denim collection, which is quite extensive. There's issues probably with almost every pair of denim I have, but I'm not willing to part with them. So I know some of you are gonna say, get rid of that, Carolyn, you don't love it. I do love them, but there are like little issues with each and every one of them. I'm not going to style any of these for you today. The reason being is that everyone in the first place has seen denim and pretty much knows how to style denim. Plus, I plan to show these denim off in other outfits that I'm showcasing, like maybe another theme. So you'll see these different things throughout the year as I'm doing these videos. I didn't want to overwhelm everyone with all this denim and styling them because there's quite an extensive pile here. All right. First up is the pair that I'm most considering getting rid of, all right? These are a can jean that I got about 3 years ago, and they're capri length and they're destructed. Why am I thinking of getting rid of them? Well, because I was watching another YouTuber who said, oh my God, I would never wear old lady capris. And that's kind of stuck in my head. I'm like, old lady capris? Capris are old lady? And apparently I wasn't the only one who thought that, because apparently a lot of people went out and attacked her for saying that. And her next video after that was like, I am so sorry I offended anyone. So apparently, and she wasn't the only person that's actually said old lady capris. So now it was basically, you know, I'm thinking, like, should I get rid of these because they're old lady style? I don't know. I don't know too many old ladies that wear destructed jeans like this. Like I said, they're pretty distressed, and they are a capri length with the frayed bottom, and they're by Can. And I got these 3 years ago, and I won't wear them now. I consider these like a spring jean because they're just capris, you know. All right, next up, another pair of light jeans. These are boyfriend style. I got these at Express when I went shopping with Laura and Linda in King of Prussia. Or maybe I got them right after that. I don't think I bought, maybe I did buy them there. Yeah, I did buy them there with her. And you've seen me style these before, but I will style them again for you. Yeah, I like them. Nothing wrong about them. Very, very loose fit. Very comfortable fit. All right. Next up, we're starting to go a little bit darker. All right. These are White House Black Market, and they're called the skinny, but they are not like a skinny pant at all. They are like a boot or even maybe like a flare. All right. Probably more of a boot. There is very, very mild distressing here on the knee. Very mild. These are super soft, super stretchy, and they're a size 2 short. And because they're a size 2 short and super soft and super stretchy, they tend to droop and sag as the day goes on. I'm constantly hiking them up. I absolutely have to wear these with a belt, and I have to pretty much wash and dry them every time I wear them, otherwise they're just too big. But I do like them. They're so soft and so stretchy and so comfy. So those are those. All right. Next up, let's see. Here is one of my favorite all-time jeans. They're Judy blue jeans. They are a straight leg that you wear in a cuff, or at least I have to wear them in a cuff. They actually showed them in a cuff when I got them years ago from a Stitch Fix, years ago, like 2018. Yeah, they have a cuff here on the bottom, and if you're taller, obviously you don't have to wear the cuff. There is distressing here and some fading, and distressing on the back pocket. And again, they're Judy blue. Pair I do like, okay? And I do wear. I've pretty much worn these things to death. They're not dead yet, but they're one of my favorite pairs. Next up, let's see, which ones are these? Okay, these are a recent Stitch Fix purchase. They're Button Fly by Can, okay? These are considered as skinny, but they're not. I think it's what some YouTubers call a modern skinny. So it's not like a really skinny leg, but it's not like a skin tight leg either. They can definitely fit in a boot, but they're not super skinny. And I kind of either do have to cuff them or let them slouch down at the bottom because I am a shorty. And again, they're a button fly, and there is distressing here at the knee and distressing here. And I love these jeans. These are a good pair of jeans, okay? Next up, my one pair of Driftwood. I coveted these for a long time. I wanted embroidered jeans. So these are a skinny style, all right? They do not need to be rolled or cuffed on me. They pretty much come right to my ankle, maybe a little bit too long, but nothing outrageous. It has navy blue and silver embroidery on the sides, okay? And let's see, there's no distressing, and they're like a medium wash, okay? Like these jeans, nothing wrong with them, but you know, as you know, because they're embroidered, it is definitely a specific look. So, you know, I don't wear them that often, otherwise it looks very repetitive. Okay, what's next here? Okay, Loft. You know, I don't really wear these much in the winter, but I could definitely wear them with booties, all right? So these are a wide leg jean that are, they're not capri, they're probably like lower calf that they hit on me. So probably right where a booty would end, okay? So they are, as you can see, the bottom is a released hem and they're loft and they're, you know, narrow on the top and they have a very wide leg. So again, very different style jean from anything that I have here. Okay. Next up, another pair of my favorite jeans, Vigors. Again, medium wash. These are very destroyed. All right, they're ankle length and they're a straight leg. Okay. So they're destroyed here at the knees, which I've gotten accustomed to. I used to hate them when they're destroyed at the knees. Now I like them, all right? And it's like a straight leg. Love these jeans, wore them a lot. I believe Trunk Club or Stitch Fix, don't even recall. Maybe even a Wantable, but yeah, so got that. These are name brands I never even would have heard of. Judy Blue, Vigors, and Driftwood. Until I started doing subscription boxes, I've never heard of these jeans, but I love them. Next up, pair White House Black Market, medium wash, no distressing. Love these because they have these cute little pearl closures at the bottom, right? Here's what I don't like about this, all right, and what I'm bummed about. I lost one of the pearl closures, and I lost it soon after I got them many years ago. I mean, I've had these at least 3 years, at least. And I asked White House Black Market if they had a replacement, and they said no. So I wear one on the top and one on the bottom. I'm missing the middle one. Bummer about these. I really like them. I think they're cute. They can be like dressed up because of the little pearl bottoms. I wish they would come out with another pair and I would buy them. Another issue with these jeans is that they're too petite, and two things. One, too petite is too big around my waist, but in these, they're too tight around my calves because I have very large calves. So again, I have to wear this with the belt, otherwise between my calves pulling them down and the fact that they're too wide in the waist is a problem. So yeah, it has to be worn with the belt, all right? Doesn't bother me. It's fine if I wear my stretchy White House Black Market belts, they stay up. Next pair, now we're getting into the dark wash. These are also years old. White House Black Market. They're a boot cut style. Dark wash, no distressing, a little bit of fading. Had these for years. These are called the Slim Boot, and these are zero short, and they fit me perfectly. Love these jeans, and actually no issues with them whatsoever. Nope, not even second to last pair. Okay, next pair. Just got these from Fashem. They're just black denim. I told them I was looking for a dark pair of skinny jeans, and they came through. Dark pair of straight leg, and they came through. So these are a dark pair of straight leg, no distressing. It's exactly what I wanted. I wanted a style other than skinny. So in the dark wash, I have a boot, I have a straight, and again, these are perfect. And the last dark wash pair I have to show you is by Liverpool that I got when Mix and Match was going out of business. And they're just a plain dark wash skinny. They're very much a jegging type of style where they're stuck to you, which is okay when I'm wearing like tall boots. I know it's not like everyone's like, oh, jeggings are out of style. I am not getting rid of these. These fit me well. I like them. I wear them with tall boots. When I want a skinny, I have a dark wash skinny. So there's nothing wrong with these whatsoever. And I got them really cheap, and I was really happy to get them in my Mix and Match as they were unfortunately going out of business. Give me a minute, and I'm going to stand up and show you my last pair of jeans, okay? So you can see what these look like. Again, a different silhouette than the others. Okay, these jeans are by Denim, and I'm going to stand back and you can see my lovely slippers with this, okay? See my slippers? These are what they call dad jeans. So they're very much I wouldn't even call them, I call them stovepipe versus straight legs. Because the straight leg that I have, they just come straight down and are tighter around the thigh. As you see, this is very loose around the thigh and the knee. And then it just kind of goes straight down. Love these jeans. Again, different style than what I have there. The closest thing I have to this is probably the boot. So the only type of pair of jeans I think I'm missing, and you guys can tell me, why don't you have such and such, Carolyn? But the only thing I can think I'm missing is like a really dramatic 70s flare, which I think would be kind of fun, where, you know, where they're tight around the thigh, and then they really bell down here at the bottom past the knee. I wouldn't mind a pair of those. Other than that, I think I'm set on denim, but you guys let me know. Let me know if you think, gosh, Carolyn, you don't have, let me know, and I'll put it on my list. All right, I hope you enjoyed watching this denim collection. I will be styling these things probably in the next couple months as I wear other outfits. And I didn't want to bore you because like pretty much everyone knows how to style denim, but you'll see these in other videos and I'll mention them when I do a style. All right, thank you again for watching this. If you haven't subscribed yet, why not? Click the notification bell, get notified of future videos from me, and give me a thumbs up. Take care, and until next time.